Good morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Honeyberg.
All kinds of divisions is the title. The I can statement is I can.
Divide.
Hey, when you divide, you're actually doing what? Splitting something or cutting something into equal parts. What does the splitting?
The divisor.
The divisor is like the splitter. And then what gets split?
Dividend.
The dividend. So the dividend is the one getting split up, and the divisor does the splitting?
Yes.
So if you have a division box, which one goes inside the house? Which one goes in here?
The dividend.
And which one goes out here?
The divisor.
Super. On the count of 3, we're going to say note number 4 together in unison. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
When dividing fractions line on line, flip the second and multiply.
So this is kind of a little of a cheat. The fraction is 1/2 divided by 3/4. Anytime you're dividing fractions or dividing with a fraction, we are simply going to flip the second one. So 3/4 flipped upside down would be what, you guys?
4/3.
We're going to change the division sign to a,
Multiplication sign.
and then we're going to solve this problem right here. We're going to multiply fractions, which you guys know how to do, yes?
Yes.
We good?
Yes.
If you have a mixed number, what do you have to do with the mixed number before? You can't solve with a mixed number, can you?
No.
Okay. Dividing with a decimal then involves powers of 10. Class, when you multiply by a power of 10, what are you really doing?
Bunny hop right in one spot.
If you if you multiply by 100, what are you really doing?
Bunny hop right in 2 spots.
Sweet. All right, so this problem right here. So 6 4/10 divided by 2/10. You get with me?
Yes.
Can we divide with a decimal?
No.
We don't want to. So we're going to bunny hop to the right to get rid of the decimal. How many bunny hops do we have to do to get rid of that decimal? 1. But if we bunny hop on the outside, we also need to bunny hop on the inside. So then we're going to do what? We're going to do a what? Rewrite. So our new problem, if you bunny hop, would be 64 on the inside and 2 on the outside, yes?
Yes.
And then you guys know how to solve that using long division? Yes?
Yes.
I should all be up here? This one right here. How many bunny hops in order to get rid of the decimal in the divisor?
1.
How many bunny hops in here then should I do?
1.
That still leaves a decimal though. So if you look at our rewrite down here, is it okay to have a decimal in the dividend?
Yes.
Yeah, you've done that many times, yes? You just got to make sure you bring the decimal up. Yes, no?
Yes.
We good?
Yes.
Last problem. Which one goes inside the house? The first number or the second house?
The first number.
And then the second number goes on the outside?
Yes.
How many bunny hops did this one need?
2.
We good?
Yes.